What is up, guys? Today we got an install video. This is gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be involving some door bags and then a little center bag to go on the razor. So Dovo sent us these door bags. Let's check them out. I believe this is going to be the center bag. I'll just pull these all out and then we'll get a better look at them. So, first impressions, they look pretty cool. These bags, they do come in different colors on the trim. I believe they come with a red and a blue, and then also this gray. I went with a gray because red or blue wouldn't really match the lime squeeze color. So these bags are just going to go on your door. Let's go out there real quick. So they're just going to mount up to your door like so up in there. So let's get to installing these, but first let's check out that other center bag. So this is the center bag and it looks pretty good. It's got this little, looks like carbon fiber almost look. But yeah, this goes in the middle where that space is, where nothing really goes on. There's nothing there, and it's a good opportunity to get some extra space. So this is a pretty cool product. So the bag has got, I believe, 3 zippers. This one is pretty big. Can fit a lot of good stuff in there. And then it comes with this zipper right here, and then also this front zipper, which is clear, so it'd be good to, you know, put your phone in there or something that you want to be able to see. So the side doors, they come with this little pouch that you can put stuff in, and then they got a zipper right here. It does stuff down in there. And then on this seems to be a cushion. Now I do know what this is for already. Not even thinking about it. When you're riding in the razor, you know, you want to get your legs spread out and your knees will be hitting the side of the door right up by the front. So this will cushion your legs, so that's going to be awesome. So I believe it had some mounting hardware up in here, little washers, so we'll get into the instructions and see how these things go on. So the way that the door bags will install is going to be focused on these little holes, and then you'll come over here on the side by side, and these holes are going to match up with these Torx head bolts. So you'll just take them all out and then use those washers that came with your kit, put the washers over them, then reinstall the Torx head bolt, and you'll have them mounted up on there. So let's get to that. Alright, so what you're going to use is a T25. You'll take out this one, these two, and then last but not least, these two. Alright, so putting them back on, just take your screw and you'll be sure to put the flat washers on there that came with the kit. And I'm not going to tighten them up all the way so I can still move the bag around. But you'll pretty much just line the holes up and put your screws back in. So there it is. Yeah, just be sure that you put the little washers back on there, or it won't fit. And then when you're putting in the screws, you just kind of pull them over and get them lined up. And it's a pretty tight fit, so I think these are going to be pretty awesome. So sitting in the machine, they're not bulky, they're not in your way. But if you want to lean your leg over, just like I knew that was going to be for, that cushion, that's going to be awesome. So that'll keep your leg from hitting on the middle of the door. So that'll make your ride a little bit more comfortable also. And really easy access. You know, you're not having to turn any weird position to get to the bags. Get all your little stuff in there. But so far I like it. So let's get to installing the center door, and then we'll also get that one too. So on this one, it says you don't need any tools, and it says installment time's about 15 minutes. So let's see if we can beat that. Probably not with a camera on, but so also these fit a lot of different razors. And they're from Dovo. So Dovo, I believe, is like a newer company. They don't have too much on their website right now, but I did talk to them, and they said they're going to be releasing more products, and I will be checking a lot of them out. So that'll be pretty awesome. But let's go ahead and start installing this thing. See how easy it's going to be. So on this center bag, no tools needed, but all razors aren't made the same. Now I'm not going to have any problem with mine because it's got a pretty good little gap, but you may have to loosen up off of that screw and that screw also, and it's easier if you take your seats out. I just took this side out, I can just slide it in there. But your bags on the bottom have these two little hooks, so you're just going to put those hooks up in there, kind of center it. So you'll just slide them in there like so. It'll hold tight, and then on your rear you're going to have two more hooks, and what you'll do is run those hooks back down to where you hook these two at, and then you'll tighten it up with the provided little straps and just pull them tight, and that's pretty much all you got to do. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then we'll check out what it looks like. So when you get it on there, like I said, you'll wrap these up. And side note real quick, on that list there was not a razor high lifter, so this will work on your razor high lifter. The only issue I had was fitting the hooks behind the roll bar in between the actual snorkel, but if you get it right up in here, you can just slide them on through and it works perfectly fine. So what you'll do is you'll have your hooks, and those just go back in there, but once you put those in there, you tighten down on that, and that'll keep everything secure, and then you can just slide them in there and hide them away so they won't be seen. So I'll tighten them up real quick, and then we'll check it out. So there's the center bag. Got it centered up real nicely. I like it. It looks really good. It matches the razors, just the texture and stuff real good. Matches up really nice. It looks really good in there. And 15 minutes was more like 5 minutes. It's super easy to install if you figure out how it goes, and you know, they got instructions, what makes it really easy to understand how to put them on there. But yeah guys, Dovo. Be watching out for them. They'll be making some new products soon, And hopefully I'll be testing them out for y'all and checking them out. So big thanks to Dovo. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this other side on and we'll check it out. So we have got them all on. They look great. So a really cheap way to add a lot more storage. And another thing that I just noticed, so I forgot to mention that this velcros down when you're not in use, but when you want to, you can open this up. Fits a water bottle, or you can add like some mosquito spray or whatever you want to put in there that'll fit. So that's pretty cool. So that has it on both sides. So all you want to do is when you're not using it, just velcro it back up. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. So if you think about it, you're getting a watertight little zipper. It's rainproof, waterproof almost. And you got this little bag, so that's 2 places to put stuff. And you got 3, 4. Then you got this one, which makes 5, and then this other one, which makes 6, and then this one, which is a massive one, which makes 7. So 7 more places to put stuff on your razor. So that's real awesome to have, because I know when I get out on the trails or when we go to the river and the creeks and ride, you always want to have stuff because you're so far away from anything. So it'd be great to put some little tools in there, which is probably what I'll do. Tools that we use a lot, and probably put a jump box or maybe some jumper cables. Be a real nice place to put them to keep them clean and all that kind of little stuff. You can add some snacks in there for your kids or your wife or whoever's riding with you. So it's pretty awesome. So again, thanks Dovo for sending these out. We will definitely test them out in the real world, test out their waterproofness, all that good stuff. Make sure they work good. I know they look good. But anyways guys, we're gonna catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and stick around if you want to see some cool stuff. We're going to be doing an awesome build on this razor here soon, next week. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see y'all on the next one.